Hey guys, it's Matthew from Matthew's Fan Videos, and I'm back again with another fan video for you guys. This fan video is to honor my 3-year anniversary on YouTube. Yes, that's right, my YouTube channel is now 3 years old. And to celebrate it, I'm going to be doing a fan video of my Lasko 12-inch oscillating table fan with the Lasko 18-inch 1844 Cyclone Pedestal fan head. So, let's get started. So here's the 12-inch table fan base. And here's the 18-inch Cyclone pedestal fan head. Now, one thing I'd like to point out is that Lasko oscillating fans do use the same parts. Whereas since the stand fan I got is black, it has a black rear grill holder and a black blade holder. Whereas on the table fan, since it's white, I got a white rear grill holder and a white blade holder for that. So, let's go ahead and show you guys the cool features that I like about the fan head. And that, of course, is I like the blade design. I really like how it's got the flower petal style blades. Back then, I used to think that it was shaped like a star, but I now know it's a flower petal. Although the blades are pointy like a star, so I guess I can live with that. Another thing I would like to point out is that this is the older style Lasko logo that they had back in the day before they have the new one today, whereas it's just the L that's uppercase, while the ASKO is lowercase. But you still get that little R in the circle right there. So, let's go ahead and turn this fan on, starting off with low without oscillation. This fan head on the table fan is rather quiet when it's on, considering the fact that the motor's not really that strong enough for it to push the fan at full speed. Here's medium without oscillation. It starts to get just a little bit louder, but it's still rather pretty quiet. And here's high without oscillation. And it starts to get just a little bit more louder. But it's still not loud enough for you to hear it from another room. Here's low with oscillation. With this fan head on, it does oscillate still pretty smoothly, but the head has to be tilted like this, otherwise, if I lower it, it won't really oscillate, so it pretty much has to stay like this. If I were to use it as non-oscillating, I would have to tilt it downwards if I wanted to. Here's medium with oscillation. Eventually, when you crank up the speeds, the oscillation will go faster. And here's high with oscillation. The oscillation is pretty smooth with the fan head on it, but with the original one, it goes faster than this. So let's go ahead and turn the oscillation off. If I can pull the knob on here, hang on. There we go. And let's turn it off. And there you have it, guys. My Lasko 12-inch oscillating table fan with the Lasko 18-inch 1844 Cyclone pedestal fan head. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and be sure to like, comment, rate, and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.